How to plan a day of plein air painting? Well, whenever I travel, I carry a box of watercolor cakes and a couple of brushes with me. And of course, my sketchbook or bunch of paper. Camel artist watercolor cakes are made with rich pigments and it is very easy to carry. Along with the paint and the brushes, take some paper glasses or a small mug, pieces of tissue paper and a bottle of water when you are planning a plein air painting session. Earlier, I was using round sable brushes with natural animal hair and nowadays switched to synthetic calligraphy brushes. They are cheap and good and available in Amazon and Flipkart. The advantage of watercolor is that it is easy to carry the finished works because it gets dry very fast. Most of my works are done within 1 hour. So you can even paint these pictures when you go with your friends and family members for an outing. So next time when you go to beaches or hilltops with your team, carry the painting kit with you. Believe me, your friends won't bother you painting a picture while sitting with them and talking to them. In the public places, there is a chance of people gathering around you. Sometimes you may get some fans too. Just enjoy that stardom. The golden hour for a plein air painting is just after sunrise or before sunset. Look around, see the trees, grasses, light falling on the foliages and tree trunks, its shadows. Exercise your observation skills, look for bold patterns with tonal gradations. Search for the light, the colors, and the mood you want to create, and then you will find the perfect frame to paint. Your heart will say, "Yes, I want to paint this." Once you have started the target landscape, start painting. It's good to have a loose sketch with pencil to figure out your composition. Some artists make a rough sketch on another piece of paper as a warm-up exercise before they start the actual sketch. Look at the things you want to capture and try to distinguish the dark areas and light areas. Try to find out what are the colors you see there. Painting a plein air makes the day a memorable one. It's more than a diary entry. It's a travelogue with your paintbrush. Every time you paint a plein air, you are learning new things from nature. So paint a plein air and bring nature's tranquility to your home. This painting was made while I was driving back from Kayamkulam after seeing off my daughter to her college after a long break of lockdown. This place is Vettikode, where the Adimulam Vettikode Sri Nagarajaswamy temple is located. The Serpent Groove or Sarpakava inside the temple complex is very famous. So that's all, friends. This is T R Rajesh. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another outdoor study session. Bye bye.